Imagine doing push-ups and your triceps, your biceps, your back, your abs are cramping up all at once. Okay, time to go. What's up, Nation? It's your boy Nosa. What's good? It's a new day. Yes, it is. Let's go. It's the 11th of 2021. Hope 2012 been great to us. If not, it's in our hands. Let's make it happen. Let's go, guys. I just got back home. It's late at night, and I decided, what shall I do for tomorrow's vlog? And since it's pretty late, and I need to be sleeping at this time of the day, and let me just do some push-ups. I'm gonna be doing 100 push-ups right now. 100 push-ups. Okay, I can do that. I can try at least. Wait, I'm thirsty. I need to go get something to drink. Oh my god. This is delicious, man. I've never been this tasty before. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's my push-ups to go. Come on. Time to go. Then my push-ups to go. Oh my god. Whew. By the way, guys, I'm fine. This is just my gym face. It looks like I'm crying, I'm shouting, like I'm gonna hurt myself, but I'm fine. I just need to push the extra in me out. That's why I'm like squeezing my face, shouting. I'm alright. Okay, 10 more to go. Come up, you can do this. 10, 10, 10, 10. Just 10 push-ups. It's easy, man. Oh, let's go. I can't wait. Like, for the gym to start opening. Then, yeah, I'm gonna get in shape back. Not just shape, also my condition. I'm lacking that a lot. This should be easy for me to do. Okay. Imagine doing push-ups and your triceps, your biceps, your back, your abs are cramping up all at once. Okay, time to go. Oh my God. 10 more push-ups to go. I hope this camera is filming now, because it is not filming. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God. Okay. Time to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God. I did it, man. I did it. Nice, you guys stop, man. Come on. Nice, you guys done to do 100 push-ups. Let's go. I challenge every single one of you watching this. Let's go. You don't have to do it at once. You can divide them, and you don't have to do it in like in 14 minutes or something. You can do it throughout the day. Maybe in the morning you do 10, in the afternoon you do 10, like split it, stuff like that. Yeah, man. Damn, I did it. Congratulations, man. That's good, I did it. That's gonna be it for me today. Damn, I'm gonna sleep like a baby now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna see you guys definitely tomorrow. Peace. The boys in the shop. See, is not invited.